Okay, just made a deposit of $50, but I had a trade ongoing before, so let's go make some trade. I have to pause, go look. Okay, I just placed a trade for $50 just to make 25%. Let's see how fast it will go. Most times I don't like showing you guys that chart so that your heart will not be pounding. It's best not to look so that you can concentrate. So I just made $13, right? Let's try and see if I can do one more trade. So okay, I can place one more trade. Let's see how fast this will be. I may have to pause. Okay, it's almost there. All right, it's there already. So I just made 50% with this video. Now I actually deposited $50. I had $20 there before, so 50, 70. So I've only made $30. Maybe I can do one more trade and then I'll stop this. I may have to pause, or probably I'll just say good night. You can see it's 2 a.m. in the morning. 12 a.m. in the morning, and I'm making a trade. So God bless you guys. I'll see you in another video. I'm trying to see if I could make another trade, but okay, maybe I can enter now so that you can see the full trade. But let's see how this will be. 2 minutes so that I can exit the market, or I may have to pause and see you in another video. Anyone. Okay, you can see the trade has pulled through. You can see how well it went down. This is one of the reasons I don't like showing you guys all those aspects, so that your heart will not be racing. You can see now I had like $70. Now I have like I think $50 profit. That's good enough. Just one more, because I'm seeing a strong trend. That's why I'm doing one more trade. All right, so I'm done for the day. So this is 128, so you can see for yourself. God bless you. See you in another video.